I'm gonna try to lift the corner of this building so this door will close right. But pretty much all I need you to do is push that way down while I crawl up under it.
What do you want me to do? Push the board in?
Put your weight on
Huh? You want me to lift it?
No, don't lift it. Push it. Put your weight on it. You can wait till I get set if you want. Okay, take your weight off and try the door.
No, it still doesn't close without bumping it.
Okay, put your weight back on it. We'll lift it some more. Put your weight back on it. We'll lift it some more. Right now. Getting better?
Yep.
I'm gonna hammer it in a little bit more. I'm gonna get you to do it one more time. I've got like 3 or 4 wedges under here. Okay, try it now.
Yep.
Real good?
Yep.
All right. Call it good. So Honey Baby came out here this morning and helped me lift up the corner of the she shed. It had gotten to where this door wouldn't close right. I had leveled this before, but apparently it sunk down. Now it closes without having to slam your body against it. What I did was just picked up this side. The door hinge is here. When you've got a door that sinks on one side, the other side will bite into the bottom of the frame there. If you lift the sunken side, it'll lift the whole door so that it will close without a problem. You can kind of tell here. You can see that this side may be a little lower, have a bigger gap than this side, so actually that could be lifted a little more, but for now I'm going to leave it and call it good. I had a big oak wedge up in Maine that I made for lifting houses, and I brought it down here, used it here.